Loba choli kachel kilo luo duju alego ni uloke da winya mabe. Kwena kilok mapira tek me konyo lobo luo kachel kilo ba choli ko duju do acher ka logi amir ni pere da yupe we winya mabe unyang lok mane mati de acholi anga ge mado mone ba choli kido anga ge mati kelo pere ko macholi na winya now one wabere conference kachiel ke loten actually lo wara oduju matie e Ulaya unye lo mawako kany wabere conference ketge wawajo kun anakati lo gatigi statement mati mawajo ni ngat mo kiken ma ochara choli Omyero pe working free ngat mo ma ochara choli should not go unpunished. Anybody who sell out Acholi or the Luo community must be killed, must face death sentence or a serious consequences. Because it will be a business, it will be a fashion if we can always make somebody who sell out the Acholi and the Luo community go free, go unpunished. So we must punish all those who think they can betray us. A traitor must not walk free. A traitor must face a serious consequence. Yes, I, Daniel Soka, a traitor must get a serious consequences. A serious consequence. We must not make anybody walk free after selling out. The Acholi people and the Luo community, they must face a serious consequences. Yes. Now, I have the list of the people that I want ni Omyero Nget kiting wek loba chuli ubet kiyeo jo magitika pani sing dano ma megwai charo jo magipani sing dano wa iatia igulu iamoro inoya kachiel ket gumki loba chuli oduju Omyero wanego gego chiente peko Omyero ke contributing metim gena chiente kero wa contributing metim genu kena ni Pero bekonyo wa chiente Omyero watiu dok wajogu chiente menego joma giti kelo pere e koma choli pien ka 1 foot pa watika nego jo magiti kelo pere ye koma choli nyo giti ka betraying a choli no one pa watika kacha wamvo no one foot pa watika treating wamvo nyo watika treating pere pa choli we one machala choli watim wa treating unyo wa me the right treatment for the Acholi people and the Luo community. We must be killing the people who are betraying us, the people who are selling us out. Yo, yeah. Now, LC5 Meguru Omyero wanego. General Kavoma Omyero wanego. LC5 Megulu Mekarn Tirati Loganunda Ngwen Medwe Machiel 2024. LC5 Megulu Omyero wanego mabe ate fundraising wabi nego ki drone. Nobody will go physically. Any wabi nego ki drone. Ento lo chalo tene chal LC1 LC3 ni wachwado awobe mamekwa nyuki dano mamekwa gomge weke nekeo. Gin madon wana mogo eno in our resolution in 2024 no joking. Wan Omyero walwenya iloba choli ngat mo iken machara choli Omyero wanego. Now ngat mukene mario Omyero kinege ena ye ngat beki luoni ngole LC5 me palaro Omyero kineko ngole kiwaji koni ko tie ubed LC5 machon ngole David me palaro kawo no ni drone wa peto ya nego ngole mabe wabi setting dar ke be nego ngole you will die soon if you think I'm joking. Wait now the second person Keluonye Lukuya Joffrey, Lukuya inanene berka ngwejo no ke pick up money Kenya mata my will pick up in come be the bus park or be the monitoring in a will bus it will pick up eroni kichene pabalalu it will pick up in mata me reon kerni kichene pabalalu ngole botika biano bori ngole Geoffrey Omyero Neko. Panwe loka ngole Geoffrey Omyero Neko. Ng'at ma kiluongo ni Deacon. Wogoraj Geoffrey. Wogoraj Geoffrey LC me owol Omyero Neko. Nyiri ni pe wabichwaro drone wabichutiyo kia wobe makenyo nyo the local people kineko ko pin pe wabiye ngat mo kiken ni Omyero Acholi, and the passion must work free. Whoever try to sell out the Acholi people or the local community must be killed. Must be killed. No joking. This is the Commander-in-Chief, Daniel Soka. His Excellency, Daniel Soka. I'm not joking. If you think I'm joking and then I'm coming to your territory, I'm not joking. If you think I'm joking, yes, here, I, Daniel Soka, I'm coming to your territory. If you think I'm joking, I have my boys in all villages in northern Uganda. I have my boys in all the community in actually sub-regions that they report to me every time, every moment. They report to me. So, thank you for reporting me. I will always, this year, I will add all your salary. Or whoever report to me, I will add your salary. But the people who are selling us out must be killed, must be assassinated. They don't deserve to be alive. They don't deserve to be alive. Now, this is General Kavoma. General Kavoma, any ngap ma don kumbeli, kikero entire general, maloyo, atiak, amoro, Kegulu district, General Kavoma, General Letie Mere, General Me Acholi, General Megulu district. Now, General Kavoma, wabi lwenye kemeke drone, very soon wabi chwalo drone, maobi kwanye DNA pa Kavoma ho, wabi designing a very special bomb. Kinyin Kavoma, ki Kavoma kaitaone wati joking, then you will reach out, you will be found, you will know that the Acholi people are not a joking matter. They are not the people that you should play around with them or try to joke or make a joke with them. We, the Acholi people, we are the revolutionary. Yes, we are the most rebellious people. You people think that you can handle the Acholi and the local community, but you cannot handle us. We are coming in full force. We, as the Acholi community and the local community, we are coming in full force. We are retaliating in full force. We are coming in full force. General Kavoma, we shall set a very special drone for you. If you think we are joking, then you wait for us in our territory. Call me His Excellency Daniel Soka, the voice of the voiceless. We are coming in action. We are coming in action.